to another video. In this video, I'm going to be making a real house tutorial. Yeah, if you were watching the last house tutorial I did and I never finished it, yeah. I'll make it 5 blocks wide, so about like exactly that much room on the inside. This is the same for an end portal. So now these are just going to be pillars. We're not to that step, but if you want to copy what I'm building, go ahead, do what you want. So I did not grab glass because I'm going to be using glass last. I wanted to build like a square, like a box. So yeah. If you want to build a real villager house, okay, no, we're done. That's my cut. I just ran out of space. Okay. Sorry about that. My game crashed. Back to building. So now you want to work on the supports. And now you're ready. Oh, so I do need wooden stairs. I don't know why I didn't grab them. I thought I wouldn't even need wooden stairs for the roof. This is what you need to use wooden stairs on. Is the roof. Why the roof? Well, what else are you gonna sleep under? Nothing? No, but I am serious. Why would you not sleep under a roof? Unless you're poor and you don't have a house. And you wouldn't sleep under a roof. It's meant to look exactly like a villager. Of course, my game freezes. Don't do what I just did there. Okay, so if your game freezes, it means you might be running out of space. So sorry, my game crashed again. Yeah, I'm not really that sorry. But if you... Okay, where are the slabs? I need a slab. Minecraft block. Would be in this, but I don't see no slabs. Just make a slab. That's a pressure plate. Oh yeah, I need a crafting table to make a slab. Crafting table, inventory. Just gonna real quick just craft me a slab. That's not, this is a slab, okay. Just gonna craft me like a 18 slabs. I only really needed one. Our house is almost finished. Just gonna place that there. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. And then you place down flowers. Yes, it's meant to be farther away, but I'm lazy. Just gonna place like a poppy and a... Yep, that works. Now all we need is the glass. Look poor. Yeah, if there's snow in your base from your game crashing, then just break the snow and then voila, villager house without any windows. Now I am in peaceful right now, so no mobs. My game. Sorry about that. It crashed again. Now place the glass, and you can just decorate the inside however you want, and voila, a villager house. There you go.